In this video, we're going to talk about horizontal lines and vertical lines. So horizontal lines, we'll talk about those over here, and then over here we'll talk about vertical lines. Vertical lines. And I just want to show you what the formulas are, what they look like, what the equations look like, and why they look the way they look. So say we have y equals a number. So like y equals 3, or y equals -6, or y equals 8. All of these are horizontal lines, y equal to a number. Let's look at a simple graph. Say we have the y-axis, and then here we have the x-axis. And let's say we're graphing y equals 2. So y equals 2, you just go up to 2, and you draw a horizontal line. That's it, that's the graph. So why is it a horizontal line? Well, because no matter what x value we pick, we always get y equals 2. So for example, if I pick an x of 0, my y value is 2. If I pick an x of 1, my y value is 2. If I pick an x of 2, my y value is 2. No matter what x value I pick, we always get a y value of 2. So it's always 2, so we get a horizontal line. For fun, let's talk about the slope. Slope is rise over run. Well, if you try to rise here, right, there is no rise, right? You can't go up or down, so you're stuck. So the rise is 0, so you get 0 over run, so you just get 0. So horizontal lines have a slope of 0. All right, let's talk about vertical lines. So vertical lines have the form x equal to a number. So like x equals 2, x equals 3, x equals -6, etc. So let's look at an example, and then let's talk about why that's the equation for a vertical line. So here's x, here's y, and let's maybe look at the graph of x equals 4. Okay. So you just go to 4, and then you draw a vertical line, and that's the graph of x equals 4. So now let's talk about why it's the graph of x equals 4. So x is always 4. No matter what y is, x is 4. So if I pick y equals 0, x is 4. If I pick y equals 1, x is 4. Y can be any number, and no matter what y is, x is always 4, so you get a vertical line. For fun, let's talk about the slope. Recall, slope is rise over run. And if you think about it, you can't run away from this. You can't run, right? You can't run. You can't go left or right. You can't run at all. So it's rise over 0. And whenever you have 0 on the bottom, it's undefined. So in this case, the slope is undefined. So vertical lines have an undefined slope. So to recap, if you have y equal to a number, it's a horizontal line, and horizontal lines always have a slope of 0. If you have x equal to a number, it's a vertical line, and vertical lines always have an undefined slope. I hope that made sense.